Hey guys, I'll show you how to remove Windows switch from 2006, I believe it's 2003 to 2010 Porsche Cayenne. So you take this tool or you take plastic tool. Plastic tool gonna work better because I don't need this door panel. It's why I dismantle it so I can break this leather. But if you're replacing it, you gotta be careful. So take plastic tool and squeeze right here. Just pop up. And this is it. There's the two wires to unplug. And you can plug the new one and replace it and just snap it in. First back goes in and then the front. Alright, good luck.